children. Today we are going to study the very important topic of central bank, very important function of central bank, that is credit control function. Okay. Now the one thing which is very important to understand here, that how central bank controls the money supply in the market, or how central bank look after the things, it is with the help of the monetary policy. And what is monetary policy? It is the policy of central bank by which central bank to regulate the availability of cost and use of money for certain objectives. Means monetary policy is the policy by which central bank regulates the availability of cost. Means here availability of cost means availability of credit in the market, and the use of money, how the money should be used. And this money supply is basically depend on, in the economy, this money supply is depend on the bank money or on the credit money. Bank money is the money which is deposited in the bank, and credit money is the amount which banks give as a loan to the people. So it is depend on the bank money or bank credit. Okay, so that's why this monetary policy is also known as the credit policy. Monetary policy, the another name was monetary policy is credit policy. Please write a note down in your books or highlight. It is given in the last line of your this introduction. Monetary policy is also known as credit policy, because by this policy central bank controls the credit in the economy. How much central bank want that credit should be flow in the market, everything is controlled by the central bank. Now there are two methods by which central banks controls the credit: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative methods are those methods by which central bank controls the amount of credit. Means how much loan should be given as a how much amount should be given as a loan to the people, amount of credit. And qualitative measures are used to decide the flow of credit. Means to whom the loan should be given, to whom loan should not be given. It is based on the qualitative. So quantitative is deciding the amount of credit, and qualitative decides the flow of credit in the economy. We are going to study about both the methods, quantitative and qualitative. Several measures are there which we will study in this credit control methods.